Listen. The wind moves through the branches. The birds answer without fear. And the trees don't resist. They respond. Plants are always speaking, not in words, but in movement, in stillness, in presence. The winds of change blow past you. Stay flexible, stay grounded, stay quiet. Because even this pine knows strength isn't standing rigid. Sometimes strength is bending without breaking. Have you ever felt unseen? The quiet guidance of nature we often overlook. Thanks for listening.